Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to talk about something that's changing the way people approach affiliate marketing, a powerful tool called AI Affiliate. If you've ever wanted to start making money online through affiliate marketing but felt overwhelmed by all the technical stuff, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. AI Affiliate is an all-in-one platform that helps you create complete affiliate campaigns in just a few clicks. It's designed for anyone, whether you're brand new to affiliate marketing or you've been doing it for years. The beauty of this tool is how simple it is to use. You just pick a product you want to promote, click Create Campaign, and let AI Affiliate do the rest. The system instantly generates everything you need, from ad copy and emails to landing page text and promotional materials. What's really cool is that AI Affiliate works with major affiliate networks like JVZoo, ShareSale, and Digistore24, giving you access to thousands of profitable products across different niches and countries. That means you can find offers that truly match your audience or interest. The platform's AI Writer is another highlight. It uses your campaign credits to automatically create professional marketing content that converts. With the commercial version, you'll start with 200 credits, which means you can generate up to 200 campaigns for different products. AI Affiliate takes the guesswork out of affiliate marketing. You don't need to worry about writing copy, designing ads, or testing landing pages. It's all handled for you. In this video, let me show you how AI Affiliate system works.
Welcome to AI Affiliate Walkthrough, and now I'm going to show you how we have been able to generate results like these for our business promoting other people's products. And remember, this does not require any product creation, any support on our end, but as you can see over time, we have generated over $2.6 million in affiliate sales and $1.2 million in commissions. This is the take-home money, and just last year alone in JVZoo, we did over $73,000 in commissions, and this does not even include the extra prize money we make from that by promoting these products. And to promote these products, we typically need to create assets like these. You can create webinar content ideas, you can create social media content, you can create lead generation content, and you can create email marketing content. This is just an example. There's so much other content you can create using AI Affiliate. Now let's go into AI Affiliate so I can walk you through the steps that you need to take to find high converting products that are going to make you money, that are going to be profitable. And then how can you go about creating all the assets that you need to promote them? Now, depending on your license, you will have certain restrictions. So your dashboard may look a little bit different, but if you have the full deal, then you are going to see exactly what I'm showing you right now. So as you will see, you've got recommended products right here that you can come and check. These are the products that we know are converting well and are something that you can make money with. But if you want to get more specific, you can click on filters and you can search based on specific keywords that you want, specific topics, or minimum conversion rate, or other details that you're looking for. So for now, for example, I'll do what I'll do best and I'll look for products on JVZoo. You can also choose about 39 different affiliate networks, depending again on the kind of license you have. The details are on the page when you get to it, if you're there already watching it. But let's go ahead and choose a keyword as well. So in this case, I'm going to choose social. Let's go ahead and see what kind of results we get. Now I've got a few products listed over here: Quick Social Profit, Social Media Automation, Social Ninja, and all these different kind of products. I know my list loves social. I know social is something I can sell quite easily. So now I'm going to just try and find something that has perhaps sold enough volume and has a good conversion rate as well. So based on all the data I have, I like Postradamus Pro, which seems to have enough sales. It has low refund rate and pretty good conversion rate as well. So let's go ahead and sign up to affiliate program. When you click that button, you'll be taken directly to the site where you can check out all the other details and request your link as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and request my link. And as you can see, now my link is available for me to go ahead and promote this product. But look, that's the only manual part that you need to do, because once you have done that, next step, you need to create all the marketing assets to be able to promote this. You can, of course, view the landing page by clicking here, but we're going to bypass that and we're going to use our AI Writer. Now, this is where the fun begins, because this is going to automatically for you assess the program, the sales page, the landing page. So as you can see right now, it's assessing the page, and I'll show you what it brings out. You can see the program summary, you can see the main features of the program, promotion ideas, you can see program niches, problem solving aspect, audience recommendation, bonus ideas, personalized hooks, and a product demand as well. All this is truly instrumental for you to know exactly what you need to do to sell something. When I try to promote a product, sometimes I'm stuck for ideas as to what I need to say, who I need to say it to be able to make those sales. So this first screen that you see will set you up to understand exactly what you need to say to people to make that sale. And once you're happy with this, click on the writer button. And now when you click on the writer button, you are able to create any and all different kind of assets that you need to be able to go out there and sell this. You want to create emails? No problem. Just come in here, choose what kind of emails you need, and you'll be able to create those. So let's go ahead and we'll pick, for example, a new product announcement email. I can give it additional information that I want, for example. So my name is Neil Napier and I want to recommend this product to my audience who are really into social media. That's all you need to give. And once you're done with that, click on write content. And within seconds, it's going to create a brand new email for you. Again, you didn't have to type a single word. We automatically grabbed the landing page, all the information that we had to be able to create this for you. That is just one. You can then go ahead and create, let's say, lead generation magnets as well. So if you wanted to build an email list before you promote this product, you can generate lead magnet ideas. There you go. You got 5 lead magnet ideas over there. If you want to create some content for social media to be able to post on social media to get engagement, you can do engaging questions, Facebook posts, feature to benefit, hashtags, headlines, all these different things. I'm going to go ahead and pick, in this case, persuasive ideas for social media. There you go. Now you've got some ideas that you can use to create content on social media. And one thing I love a lot is webinars. I run a lot of webinars, so for me, it's very important to think about what content I could present on a webinar, what should be my call to action, what should be my script, what should I actually say, and everything else as well. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and pick webinar content ideas, and based on the product, based on what is being sold, now I'm going to get webinar content ideas that I can go ahead and deliver webinars on. So again, depending on the license, you will see all of these writing capabilities in your account, and you'll be able to create all the content as you need. You can create webinar content ideas, you can create social media content, you can create lead generation content, and you can create email marketing content. This is just an example. There's so much other content you can create using AI Affiliate. And of course, once you're done with it, you go ahead, make some noise, get people on your email list, get people to buy products based on your recommendations, and you will see money coming in just from one campaign. And the way we scale this is with deploying multiple campaigns out there. It's very easy for you to come in, use the filter, and find out different campaigns that are suitable for you, campaigns that you want to run, campaigns that pay you well, and then just stack them up, scale them up, so you're able to deploy a lot of different money bags out there from which you can make money. There are other features to AI Affiliate as well, but I will tell you that this alone is going to make you so much money. And of course, if you want to finesse that, if you want to improve that, you can use the niche finder to understand more about different niches out there. You can use e-commerce finder to see what's selling really well in the e-commerce world. Same with Amazon products. And then also, if you want to create affiliate content based on Amazon products, this search can help. And if you want to get backlinks using guest posts, this can help as well. So use AI Affiliate. It's going to simplify, streamline, and make it easy for you to make money as an affiliate marketer without struggling with the day-to-day that comes with producing a ton of content that you need to produce.